Hi guys, let me take you guys through a 3 steps fade. A lot of you guys have problem when it comes to beginning of 3 steps. So on this video I'm going to show you how to begin with 3 steps to complete. This is a full tutoring, how to apply the dye, the shape, cutting, everything is in. So watch this video till the end and thank me. Comment, like, share for more. You understand? So let's go. This is how I begin. Always make sure that your clipper is very sharp. Clipper is very, very sharp. It helps when it comes to fading and those stuff. So 3 steps on this line. The 3 steps. We have some people, they want the down to go to skin. Some too don't want it to skin. You get it? So you have to, as a professional barber, you have to know how to do all these two things. If someone don't want it skin, how are you going to do it? If someone wants it, you get it. So as you guys can see, and I always tell you guys that the number one step guard is very, very important, because once you take the down to skin, the next thing you need is the number one guide. You get it? So to able to accomplish the 3 steps, you need the number one guard. So if you don't have it as a professional barber, go and get it. You get it before you will start fading. You have to make sure that you use the number one guide. So after taking the down skin, the next is the number one guide. As you guys can see, the fading is almost showing. You get it? But I haven't put the clipper on it, just the number one guide. So it makes the work easier. Well, once you start fading, it will be easy for you to get there. But if you don't have the number one guide, it might delay you on the way. As you guys can see, depending on the level of the person here and those stuff. So watch out till the end of this video, then thank me later. As you guys can see, let's go. Bra, 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 bra. Yeah, very nice.
Madam Kubina, okay. I'm saying, we have been on office now. I have better. I am come on, catch a very, very nice. We came on for the process. The East Canam, October. Next time, I sign up for the unit. And it's not trauma. I have one more thing in your strong. Something making that. I said, normally, no. If you want to, Ediana, I mean, so Kubiano. What I say, you could be a but say, Uko, and man's the outsider. I'm not I'm not like before, so be our baby, you should be. I can't see anybody in the brand. Which I do for a consult or more move on to the say, or say, no, mamma, no, now, so mamma, who got nice and son of it. You know, always be a woman bringing any color, come, and say, come, continue. What I say? I answered, yeah, I be mamma, no, Charlie. Anytime I know about consult to be says, when you see cannot feel it. Okay, I am if I'm a no more now, so you talk based on the down for very what I say. Said the boy, yes, said what down for not you so I did not pick a man on here. Nasa, I bet pick a man, so maybe I was down from it. Different from body. Next time, more that. Even though Upatona, who feels a bit me, I used to grab one. It's me out of drinking your own different ones. It's a heavy. We should be no issue now. What difference? When we used to do 297. Oh, wait. Stand up. Catch no more, and then shooting away. Yeah, more. Then red for no more when you put that different. Even Kukrana, they fight, only something. Kukrana, they fight. They won't do on my own shampoo. How the best shower, the best shower taking. And son, how did relax at fam asa na odi ni nkuna kasa kasa fo ba bia ye de hu se o nkuni de ni apa akoto no kwa oba na bia wo de bia different soap bi adware ni trim oh bia no wo de nkuna fam na e man different results so bia nkuni nye ati nkuni so ma nya ne sa o se Africa hankasa no ye nsheda sa ne man nsheda care about me create me e ba shop wo be yi ni ti no so na ti yi dia oh ye value ni ma bi ye hu ne so haircut there is just a normal thing.
Yeah.
Oh, but I brought some more value sign man ni 3 me. Oh, ne say.
Like I want to check if you
What you say? To always be ano. Bro need to maintain say with that be 1 year no go check up say bia. Then checking the same man say problem room. But this say me no man. Na man dia kwa kwa say.
I feel real men kind of go hospital. Yeah, say
Anytime.
Na den kun kwa shampoo ni we kwa anytime kwa ya ka.
Oh, masa. Adia cho. Ko piskani adia afa na wo no. O pa kwa
shampoo. No, what time? Then I'm so me call say snap Instagram page and I will say to be 3 hours.
Ah, yeah. Very far. Not have any interview.
Nice.
That lady.
Yeah. You know, off page now I do mama.
Yeah. But I'm not madam for year tomorrow. Madam for year tomorrow. And I recommend them the back. My friend plan to say yeah. Yeah, friend so I'm some bam shop and so. The more I need dating the real mind to me about I'm sad to share the following week. Do a 1 or 2 of my card on my cameras back and Saturday, that's part of how they use it. This one, man, on the cat and banner. Again, I'm saying, on the change, remember, every month and I'm on tea.
I'm not only quiet to Ghanaian, I say,
that is also a documentary, and I'm about a documentary there or creating about youth how lifestyle near and you make wow around okay.
Yeah.
Or selected people be our no more so yeah.
Oh, okay. Very nice.
You see, I'm going to need a lady there, you know, sir.
I'm branding one.
Ma, we are Brandon,
yeah, tomorrow we did. See, I'm very shopping and branding and people more.
Yeah, I'm very shopping in this.
I'm moving with give up opposite way. I saw you also a local car. Trade the water here, the rocks room. I'm moving with the
top.
I saw it in Chema. Oh, yes, I'll branch here and Chema. You don't see you. Show how this will be office. One of the ever mentioned, but they said, the all kind of question about to be about.
Yeah, on no way anymore. No way anymore. Not so not shop back anymore.
Steady.
Oh, so now I did junction by opposite on some right, on some right.
In town for
Okay. Not the shop no how stores, what kind of stores there? I think it's about 6 at once. Never no more. And about home, so not about home, so market. Only for one shop. About or
yeah, market inside one. The much about
not back or market. Why you now a cabo?
I am about. And it's a little known as I did also.
Okay.
Was in Kunyano. Yeah, I'm not a president. Maybe I know. If you have a TSU, first barbering there. Number of phone you find it.
Yeah. Yeah. Barbering, I couldn't anymore. Couldn't even breathe. Yes, no,
I start.
When you say, oh, barbering, you'll be able to answer. I say,
I'm a partner to you to my CRD. I'm Brandon. I'll be around. Now, you see, I'll shop more fun will be rubble. When you said, I want Fedia, the train will be in here.
One thing, so they say, shop on so. But shop, no, come. I don't know.
Think about it. I was driving school ever. And you maybe you say, no, put it. I'm a panty between your foot. Now, they are candy between you. I mean, a foot pound. I'm so I don't transfer na so go for. Well, so we try my community. I'm an anya fit. Oh, me yarrow.
The thing there, shops in the bio, but obey you till number one because I was feeling. I don't think say be a young couple go on shop because of the shop where the shop where we get change with you.
Yeah.
But the bar on shop because of quality service out there.
Okay. Saa shop na meka so ofo so when driving school call no ko yo moto ton we e fẹ́ ni say gas cylinders ni ade no when say continue me rasta why need to do it.
Oh, okay.
So how fair ba me ra on me feel.
We try we so no go so. Na no feel. Tini dia. We try more feeling no na the most. So more no is careful. We can't be on drive about Porsche car. So the parking where I think I had entered and
Yeah.
trying to see my feeling to know. I know you. Man for su BB. I said business in Angasan. A business beer. A man for Philly said, or the Sikashima Benya the behind and because of Sanity, always be behind and scatter. But one thing about this business, and said, one experience kakra one moment you now 50 years you won't go form could be a show within a short time moment to my show and I won't be such up we are also be built within some months to be shop
na say ma ko bi wo we baby am making driving school na first ba ko bi answer na be twa kwan ma ko bi o moton cylinders ni next
yes
ma ko bi wo
yes
kama
yes
place o matum o mo da e shopping na boy no madam for so ma me ni suban o na no ba na boy no so nyam krofo o na krofo pa
so
ẹnu na ọdẹ kọ ẹni ma filling station ase ọ bebi ọmọ tuntun bebi ọ cold store ni wọ no ọkọ ọba na nsẹ mi hu na ọwọ bi.
One barbers ni bi nye papa ẹna owners ni bi nso ọmọ fili sẹ wọ bi ẹ ni shop nti na make say before sẹ wọ bẹ bie shop no ọsọ otimi ẹnya consultation otimi consult obi a ọwọ ho na wa kyerɛ sɛ ebi ase anaasɛ se but woka sɛ o mi deɛ ma nya mi sika ma kɔ bie mi shop ebi a o deɛ wo fili sɛ bi ase no na ɔbɛ yɛ a. Because when you manema bi one as a boss no any say we what just any when you manema bi so as a worker no so no ni say we how say the city so as a boss and as a worker no the one you bi to say never say you boss you have to respect the workers you have to respect the workers and I also so you worker also who say we are my boss and I need na it's about trust trust now trust me oba na ma ye adwuma nipa mienu e bia 80 cedis abeka se meboa wa dwen be o se o sisi kra ma twa be nipa be 5 na me ma o etega trust ni ho so trust ni no so adia so bit me ni nipa na ye boys no so no o boy adwuma 100 cedis so ba ba ma o 50 Ghana
adia o hana na sa no tie
adia o boys ni ye no bia but adia boys no because ono no feel say at the end of the day no also on sunya kakra be but yen nyina ye but yen na ye bi no is based e bia me say na ma be adwuma e make sure say me top money be free adwuma na mai what you say e bia na ye adwuma ko kuma ni na me ko fia e bia 20 Ghana 30 Ghana bi na ma yina bia to ma dwan ba boys ni bi nya ne sa omo no
ti na mo tie
what you say ono wa ko adwuma na bia wa ye adwuma be bia 200 300 no o be fa be bia 100 cedis na 150 not the 150 at all. And at the end of the day, the boss on so on one HR bills.
Tell me, dear.
I just over man, over to
yeah.
We are not Sikana who what's it that no wasabe, wasabe. At the end of the day, no one's a boss on so feel so on soon. Into so lose the end as I did shop on into them too. Oh, this is here because so maybe a human who young pass also, and then also be a human.
I say, I'm on a cashier, it's in change.
And a cashier, so one thing is a cashier and which younger. And I trust. Yes, trust in you, trust you, and when you saw the fat cashier,
I don't know. Abraham nya
because I would see nipa na say okay you say we nipa we adwuma and then we be after but mama nya the too much say bia oh they wa ba na feel say on dey wa ba adwuma kakra nti oh mama nyi e bia from an opportunity mere mama nyi bia 30 Ghana dey fanya mtoko na 20 Ghana kura na nya ba 20 Ghana times month kura nya 6 million 30 Ghana 9 million oh say this
okay so dey ba
sanity nti so mo ti ne ma bi say ase a because at the end of the day no so boss no bunu kura na ultimate first can kwa every day Jumane die be ko baby anko bi timi ko baby ni ayi nti okwa no asan dwane aba because sawa obo no si ti na onya abotre siesie nipa no ho no nipa no ko different place a wonya ne sa enti wanya ne sa nso obo se wo be sa edwane a eden aba back to e bia wo free ho no because ko e no wonya service ni said ye na wonya no wood place no
obi wo ho otukwan ko obi onyi ne ti da you fi wa ba
ni won ko fo bi wa masa mi tukwan kra ba twa ko pim se ba twa ko pim se o ba ba ya sa pa on